Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this lecture series, we'll be studying the properties. And in the previous lecture, we have already seen the supports, the members, the nodes creation, and also the properties assignment. Here, we will be studying some more properties and how to assign them. And click on the properties, and we have already assigned the steel properties to these columns and also to this rafter. So here we have some more properties. Generally the properties we can get it either from this database. Click on the database, Indian. We have the roll steel and the cold form steel. Click on the roll steel. We have various members properties like Indian steel table, the S shape, I shape, M shape, W shape, NPV shape, WSP, T shape, channels, angles, tubes, and pipes. Okay, and also we can get the cold forms from this table. Cold forms like these are usually assigned for the purlins in the PV structures. Or we can, the second method is we can click on this specification, and then we can also get it from the prismatic or the tapered members. In the tapered members we can give the dimensions for the particular steel structures, maybe thickness of the web, thickness of the flange, or the depth of the section. And generally we are using this third method, what we call a section database. From this we click on section database, and then after clicking the section database, we have to select the country code. We are generally referring to Indian, so Indian S shape. The most popularly used are the channel sections, NB sections, angle sections, and tubes and pipes. Okay, so I just want to give you a brief introduction for what are these ISMB, ISLB, ISJB stands for. Okay, ISMB stands for Indian Standard Medium Weight Beams, and ISJB stands for Indian Standard Junior Beams. ISLB stands for Indian Standard Lightweight Beams. ISHB stands for Indian Standard Heavy Beams. ISWB stands for Indian Standard Wide Flange Beams. So the generally in the Australian, these steel sections are commonly referred to as universal beams and universal columns. They are written as UB and UC sections. And ISMC stand for the Indian Standard Medium Channel sections, and ISMB is the medium Indian Standard Medium Beams. So these things are given in this table. We can see here as ISMC members, and then ISLB light beams, and ISMB medium beams, and also ISHB heavy beams are wide flange beams, and also ISHB are mentioned in this table. Whichever we require for the particular building and design, we can select from that. And also we have the angle sections starting from ISA 2023 to ISA 200, 225. We can also give the type of specification, if it is a long leg or a short leg or back to back or face to face single sections. In such case, make sure that the table assigned is the material assigned is a steel for this members. And then the tubes are generally assigned for the bracing members. We can also select it from the table given as here, or we can define the tube, like thickness of the tube and the width of the tube and depth of the tube can be defined. And also the pipe members, these are the pipes with the nominal bore diameters can be used, or from the table, or we can also define the pipes with the outer and inner diameters and then add to the table and specify it wherever required. Generally the tubes are given for the bracing members, and the pipes are given for the strut members. And coming to this Jindal materials, we have UB section, UC sections, and then PB sections, ISMC shapes. Then we have the Tata Structura. And the Tata Structura brochure, we can get the details of all the properties. The Tata structure is broadly classified into three types: rectangular hollow sections, square hollow sections, and circular hollow sections. The rectangular hollow section consists of these profiles, as we can see, and the square hollow sections has these profiles, and the circular hollow sections also, as you can see here. We have so many circular hollow sections, and we can use, and they can be added to the table and then used as and when required. So this is how we have the properties, and uh, hope you all like this, and continue to watch my other YouTube channels, and please do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.